This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at one of the best performing stocks as far as the Indian market is concerned. Now remember, a good method should be transferable to any market. So we can see here a breakout, past this monthly closing high. We can use that as our breakout level, or we can actually even use this breakout here. Both of them are correct, but the key is what the indicators were giving us. So approximately 45 entry there, or you can even take second breakout level about 60. Stocks gone as high as 243. So a big run up over the last couple of months. So let's test the ultimate Muathe breakout, and of course it's gonna show up. So we're talking about this breakout here. RSI jumps above 69.1. Where have you had that before? Bang! Notice that the MACD also moves to new highs. So there you have it. It doesn't matter what market you're trading. If you want to own the best stocks, you have to insist on the ultimate Muathe breakout method. Now, because the stock was breaking out here while we have a very young RSI, in other words, the RSI was just beginning to print, what we can actually even test the method is, let's test this on a weekly chart. So this is now the weekly. What a beautiful looking chart. What we're going to do is test the ultimate Muathe breakout. Again, we can use this breakout here on the weekly. Looks very good. After a couple of weeks of sideways action, something changes, price moves higher above that range. Or if you want to be picky, or if you catch this late, you can always get the next breakout, which is here. If we take where we have this breakout level, we see that the RSI was breaking out and the MACD was also breaking out. So even for this IPO, we can see that based on the weekly chart, we could have still been able to capture the breakout using the ultimate Muathe breakout. So irrespective of what market you're trading, this just happens to be an Indian trading stock, but the minimum requirements are going to be the same. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings. I shall be back in the next video later.